Hey everybody, welcome back to Daniel's Devlogs, my journey where I'm learning to make mature games with immature content. So, back again in the mini golf app. So, a lot of progress this weekend / today. First off, made it where you can basically add players to groups dynamically. So, you can go pick your course, pick your year, pick your group, and then from a list of players, it'll fill up, or you can fill up different groups with that, and then change to the next group, and it'll reflect the changes in the left. It's great stuff. I'll show you in a minute. The other thing, I got it where the scorecard actually adds things to the database now. And if you pick the right course, you can go back and it'll save those scores to the database. So I'll show you both of those things next. Okay, so here's the admin panel. I have picked this year and this venue, doesn't really matter, just for demonstration. So this is the group pick, and you have a max players of 4, so I'm gonna just pick the top 4 names here. And then I'll move them over, and you notice they get taken out of this and put into this, which is great. And if I try to add someone else, it's gonna say, hey, you can't do that, stop that. And then if I go to the next group, okay, it's going to be like, okay, you got 3 players in this group, okay, add those, keep going, group 3, blah, 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 until you get to the bottom. And then basically, the way it works, at least at the tournament, is, you know, you get grouped up with a couple people for that venue, which would be Old Gatlinburg, and then you go play all the courses at the venue with that group, and then you kind of tally up your scores with that group at the end, and then you get grouped up with some other people at different venues. So anyway, that's how to do it with the app. Next up, scorecard. So with those groups, that's the reason I had to make those first, is because this, basically, you're gonna sign into the app and then you're gonna pick your course, and it's gonna just do whatever the most recent tournament is. So let's go to Old McDonald for this one. And then basically, I basically made myself the sign-in person, and it just auto-populates everyone in my group, and then it auto-populates the course par, which I just set to 1 for all of them. And then I could start entering scores. So let's just do a 4, for example, and a 3, and a 2, and a 1, or something, whatever. So then all of this is gonna come over here to the database. Ta-da! And then, even better, let's say for whatever reason I switch to this. Okay, this would be a new course, and then I switch back. It's gonna remember those and keep those there. So that's great. I was very happy to see that. So we're just gonna keep pushing tomorrow.